just heard were only a test conducted by the Omaha Douglas County Civil Defense Center. The alert signal, the steady, high-pitched wail, would warn of an approaching tornado or other impending natural disaster. The attack warning signal, the rising and falling wail, would warn of an enemy attack. These monthly siren tests are conducted the first Saturday of each month to assure that the sirens are functioning properly, and they are, and to acquaint the public of the difference between the alert and the attack warning soundings. And remember, this was only a test. Teresa?